So the next thing we need to do is we need to look at the file formats that are required for this examination paper. In this instance, it says that images are going to be in the .png format, and each individual image must be less than 350 kilobytes. The video file should remain in .mp4 format. If you are given a video in your upcoming exam, it will be in that format and you will not be required to change it. So let's have a look at the images that you've been given in more detail. So as you can see, there are some images that are in JPEG format. They will need to be changed. And there are also images that are far greater than 350 kilobytes. So they will also need to be changed. So if we launch the photo editing software, and what you'll be using in the exam, which will be available to you, is Serif Photo Plus. Okay, so let's open the first image that we need to change. So let's do the JPEG images first. So open this JPEG image, and then if we go to File, Export Optimizer, we can change the graphic to PNG. We're going to go to Export. I'm going to default these export changes to the original assets file. Yours will already default to that. I'm going to overwrite it so that you don't use the wrong one. Let's open the next one. I'm going to go to File, Export Optimizer, choose PNG, and export, default into the same folder. And so on. Let me just show you how to resize an image. So let's choose this, already a PNG format, but it's far too big. So again, if we go to File, Export Optimizer, and here we're going to change the scale. Let's reduce it to 50. I'm going to click sorry, do that again. File, Export Optimizer. You can type in 50, but I'm doing this in the dark, so I can't see. Click Apply. It's still not far enough. There we go, it's less than 350, and export. Okay, now it will take you a few minutes to go through each of the images, but it's a really good idea to do that from the start so that you're not tempted towards the end of the exam to put an image in to make your page look better and you haven't changed the size, in which case you're going to lose marks. While we're on the images, just go back to the image folder. Let's take a look at the images. What the exam do is they throw in some images that aren't relevant to the scenario. So it would be a good idea, again at this stage, if you can see any images that do not relate to volunteering. Now I'm suggesting that somebody flying an aeroplane would not be that. Delete it. And again, I've got a picture of somebody here performing some surgery, which again I don't think volunteers would do. So let's just delete those images. So we're not left with anything that could not be to do with volunteering.